Welcome to the full course online. In this lesson, we'll learn how to manage slides with ease as they are the building blocks of your presentation. If you want to add a new slide, simply go to the Home tab and click on New Slide. And the new slide will insert it just after the slide selected. If you want to remove a slide you don't need, look over to the Slides pane on the left, right-click the unwanted slide, and select Delete Slide from the contextual menu. Sometimes, you may want to reuse a slide. In that case, just right-click on it in the Slides pane and choose Duplicate Slide. And you will find another copy of the selected slide. And if you'd like to change the order of your slides, simply click and drag them in the Slides pane until they're in the right sequence. For example, you want to move slide number 4 to position 2. With these tools, you can easily organize and structure your presentation. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to use different slide layouts to design your slides more effectively.